How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to enable futures trading on Robinhood. Futures enable you to gain exposure to and trade a variety of different asset classes, such as equities, energies, currencies, crypto, metals, and other commodities. With futures trading, there is no such thing as a pattern day trading rule. Not only that, but you can trade 24/7. You also trade with leverage with futures, meaning you can make a lot of money really quickly. Not only that, but it also has the 60/40 tax treatment, meaning any trade you make can qualify you for this type of tax treatment. Keep in mind, trading futures also carries risk of losing more than your initial investment and may not be appropriate for all investors. Unlike options trading, when you can lose whatever you're putting into the position, futures is completely different. With futures, you need collateral depending on what you're trading. First things first, you want to open up the Robinhood app and search futures trading. You'll see an option to apply or learn more. Tap that. If that doesn't pop up, go to your settings right where you would normally apply for options or margin trading. Get approved for futures, you must be approved for both options and margins first. Once you're approved, you'll be able to start trading futures. Now, how do I trade futures? Well, it's simple. You can either buy or sell. Buy meaning you're betting it's going to go up. Sell meaning you're betting it's going to go down. Just like that, you're approved for futures trading on Robinhood. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Last but not least, if you want to make money trading futures, it's important to learn the game before playing it. You don't just play basketball before you learn the rules. Check out this video where it'll have everything you need to know about futures trading on Robinhood. Thanks for watching.